You're in the greenhouse studio. What's going on today, Maureen? I have lots of lavender in my yard and garden. My mom requested for me to make little lavender sachets because she's got memories of her mom and her grandma where they used to put them in their panty drawer or put some sachets by their pillow. So I thought I'm gonna try to attempt to make some. So I started by harvesting some English lavender from my yard and garden, and then I brought it into the studio and laid it all out onto a drying sheet, and then I've just got a fan blowing on it to dry. And so that batch I finished. This is the next batch that's going on. So this is the first batch that I did, and it's all in the sheet and it's all dry. So now what we're going to do is we are going to give it a little bit of a thrashing. Oh, it smells so good. And that's just to break off all of the little buds off of it. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to use this teeny tiny hardware cloth, you can see there. And really what I should do is I should make a frame for it so that I can sift it better. I'm being just a little bit lazy and don't want to have to bring out everything and do that, but it will be on the list to do. In place of it, I have what I think is an old oven rack. So I'm going to put that down to kind of be, you know, something sturdy for me to put it onto. We're going to open up the lavender and we're going to take the bunches that have to be shaken up again, and I'm going to put them all into this bin. Anybody that gets to work on a lavender farm must just absolutely love it. Must be very calm in their life. This is the platinum blonde, so it's much longer. I think it's going to be a little tricky for me to be getting it all. This sheet is really big, so I'm a little concerned that I'll end up having something dump out on the side. But let's just see here. A few more branches. Oh, these ones were done really well, but there's still some in there. So I have my bin that will need to have a second sifting, and now the sheet. I'll need to come up with a better method of how to transfer it out of the sheet. It's like I almost should have it in another bin. I think that's what I'm going to do, so I have more control. I'll be right back. I'm back. I actually put the stems into a box, and now I have this one open. That way I can take the whole sheet and kind of open it up and not lose as much, hopefully. I'll do another shaking in a minute. So now we have all of those little buds. Looks good. I'm going to sprinkle them carefully over our hardwire mesh. Oh, a little garlic found its way. Okay, more garlic found its way. Then we're just gonna gently move it around. There we go. So our first sifting is done. Not too bad. Still some big pieces in there. let's do a second sip. Again, not bad. So let's do another one. There's another really neat spice in here. It almost smells like a spice, like a pepper spice. Not quite peppery, but it's, I don't know, it's a really neat smell. You know, if I had the rims on it, it probably would go much quicker. Well, that looks pretty darn good. Let's go get the bags and fill them up. So I got these cute little lavender bags off of Amazon. They were on sale, so I bought them all out. I will check to see if they've supplied some more, and I can put the link in the description so that you can order your own. But I just love the look of these. So you've got the organza, the purple, and then the lavender at the bottom. I just brought a funnel to put inside. And then we're just gonna scoop up some of our lavender and get it inside. Well, maybe. I don't know, I think it might work better if I just put it inside. The funnel's clogging up. And I'm filling it up, you know, to about that level. So we see a little bit of the lavender on the top, maybe just a bit more. Comes with a cute little tie. So we're just going to tie that around and then tie it into a little knot. And then we'll put a little bow on it. And there we have a cute little sachet. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that, it's so cute. It smells wonderful. I still have, you know, a fair amount. It won't make too many sachets, but I haven't shaken out the sheet completely to make sure that it's completely empty. Plus, I still would like to go through this box to see what more we can get out of it, along with what is continuing to dry. But I love these, and I will send these off to my mom as a sweet little memory for her, and a little bit of lavender for my garden. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless.